You can start the measurement once you have successfully logged into the doctor mode. The device will be blinking to show that it is connected to the app. After clicking start, the app will ask you to fill in the patient details. Fill in the patient's name, identifier, room, last menstrual period date, maternal date of birth, and the number of previous pregnancies. Please note, some of these fields like the identifier and room might not be relevant to you and you can leave them blank. Click Continue. If you already know where to locate the baby's position, click Manual Search. Make sure you have the ultrasound gel tube with you and some paper towels to wipe off the gel after the measurement. Get the patient to lie down in a comfortable position. The patient should avoid moving, talking, eating or drinking during the measurement. If the patient has eaten in the last 30 minutes, ask them to wait for at least an hour before taking the measurement. Put a big drop of ultrasound gel on the bottom of the HeraBeat device. Make sure to use enough gel. This will optimize the search for fetal heart rate. Spread the gel on the patient's tummy where you need to check the baby's heartbeat. Tap the Go button to search for baby's heartbeat in this position. Please be patient. HeraBeat may try to find the fetal heart rate at multiple locations. While HeraBeat searches in each position, make sure of the following. Hold the device comfortably so that the bottom of the device is gently pressed against the patient's skin. Avoid moving the device during the measurement at a particular position. Avoid tilting the device at various angles. If the heartbeat is not found in this position, the app will ask you to move to a new position. Move to the new position and tap the Go button. Please note, the recommended distance between two positions is about 2 fingers. Make sure you still have enough ultrasound gel under the device as you search at new positions. Once you have located the fetal heartbeat, keep HeraBeat at that position. Secure the device in place with a belt so that the device is firmly in place and the fetal heartbeat is getting recorded on the app. Leave the app on to record the fetal heart rate for 15 to 20 minutes here. Ask the patient not to move or talk while the measurement is taking place. Once the NST has been completed, click End. Tap on the graph to view the report. The report can be seen on the app or shared with the doctor via email or WhatsApp. Once the test is completed, wipe the device with a tissue and place it back in its case. Important things to remember to optimize the search. Remember to use enough gel. Do not use too little. Spread it evenly around the search area. Remember to add more gel if necessary between 3 to 5 search positions. Make sure there is a thin and even layer of gel at the bottom of the device throughout the measurement. While searching for fetal heartbeat at each position, hold HeraBeat comfortably and press it gently against the patient's skin before tapping the Go button. Avoid moving the device during the search. Avoid pressing the device forcefully and avoid tilting the device. If you still can't find the baby's heartbeat using these tips, wait for some time and try again. Please note, having difficulty in finding the baby's heartbeat could be caused due to regular abdominal activity and normal fetal movements. We recommend waiting a while and then trying again.